Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in the world. This is Shumirai, and I am coming to you from Henley-on-Thames. I am one end of the town, and I haven't as yet been to the riverfront. And I decided that today is the day. Yesterday was my 40th birthday, and I absolutely love traveling, as you all know. And I decided that today is the day that I am actually going to see this river, walk along the Thames in Henley. So, starting off from the church, I understand it's called St. Mary the Virgin. So I'm literally by the church. Those are the church windows. And this is the church building. It's the church building. Not the most perfect of shots, but I'm actually now starting to walk towards the river. So join me. You can see a big truck that's on the river right now. And yeah, hopefully this is going to be an interesting experience for us all. Just negotiating some stairs right now to get down, so I don't want to tumble down. There's that building, and pardon me, there's a pub called the Angel, as you can see, the truck. So we are in Henley.